continuous tension, discontinuous compression, islanded staves of compression and dynamic stability. The barrel, when in good material condition, proves structurally stable because the internal load distributes any local shock to all the enclosing surface, thence to the finitely closed steel circle bands. Whether pressure is exerted from outside or inside, the result is always an outward thrust of the staves against the tension members, whose finite closure and cross-sectional strength ultimately absorb all working loads. The vertical forces of gravity are translated precessionally into horizontally outward buckling and torque stresses. Molecules cannot be stacked up inside the sphere in parallel or lesser circle latitude planes. Everything in motion travels in the direction of least resistance, wherefore the great circle's inherent polar symmetries must impose polar order, an order hidden from the observer only by articulative velocities that transcend the human optically tonable spectrum range. Brouwer's theorem shows that when points are stirred randomly on a plane, it can be proved mathematically that when the stirring stops, one of the points was always at the center of the total stirring, never disturbed in respect to all the others. Any plane suitable for stirring must be part of a system with an obverse surface polarly opposite, producing poles in the stirred complex system. Push inward on two diametrically opposite points of a Tensegrity sphere. The whole sphere contracts symmetrically. Pull outward on two islanded compression members. The whole sphere precessionally and symmetrically expands. Precession is not an exclusively single plane, 90-degree reorientation. It operates omnidirectionally, as do all electra.